In 1995, our general manager Mr. Zhang traveled to Japan, where he experienced the Great Hanshin earthquake and brought back the PDX disc feeder technology, causing a stir in the industry. Unlike traditional Mongolian heavy disc feeders, the PDX model is energy efficient, eco-friendly, compact, easy to maintain, and reliable. This equipment is used in sintering, pelletizing, and blast furnace workshops. It is essential conveying equipment before iron smelting. Since the PDX disc feeder's introduction in 1995, it has been a bestseller for 27 years, receiving acclaim from clients. The key reason is our commitment to quality. What is the advantage of our quality? All our transmission parts are oil lubricated, with small gears and slewing bearing immersed in oil, reducing wear. Workers just need to check the oil level on the scale outside the base and add oil in time. Secondly, it has good sealing. We added 3 sealing structures to the bottom frame to ensure drive parts are well sealed, preventing foreign objects from entering and prolonging the machine's lifespan. Thirdly, all structural parts of our company will undergo 2 rounds of shot blasting with 3mm steel shots to remove oxidation from the surface. Our company has a rotary shot blasting machine to meet the needs of different forms of workpiece. In about 10 minutes, our workpieces are completely new. This action needs to be repeated. Let's review the comparison after 2 rounds of shot blasting. Everything is arranged, and we're ready to apply the primer. Hello everyone, I am Carol from Zhongding Environment. Today we are testing the disc feeder sent to Zimbabwe. Our disc surface is sealed, with small gears and slewing bearing in the oil pool. We label the oil gauge when shipping, and if it drops below the mark, we'll need to add oil. We can make the disc rotate clockwise or counterclockwise based on customer needs. The disc has wear-resistant liners that can withstand over 20 meters of material pressure. There is a 2 cm height difference between the liner and the top, and when the customer's materials fill this gap, they create a natural protective layer that reduces wear on the disc. Our disc has been market tested for over 20 years and is now mature products. Today, 5 Xiaogang disc feeders have finished installation and quality checks, ready to be sent to our warehouse. Let me explain the main components of the disc. The workers are now lifting the main body of our disc, which has 3 lifting holes for the owner. The main body of the disc includes the base, bottom frame, supports, and a transmission mechanism comprising the reducer, motor, coupling, small gears, and slewing bearing. The drive uses a variable frequency motor connected via a coupler to a hard-tooth reducer. The small gear on the reducer's output shaft drives the slewing bearing, ensuring smooth disc operation. We use a large slewing bearing that withstands pressures from over 20 meters of mineral material. Our reducer operates independently of the disc. For maintenance, simply remove the reducer without emptying the hopper or removing the disc, providing convenience for the owner. Our short tube has a spiral structure that doesn't easily get blocked. The short tube actually consists of 3 parts: short tube, scraper assembly, and fan door assembly. All parts that contact materials are lined with wear-resistant plates to extend their lifespan. The dust cover isn't essential. It is used to improve workshop hygiene and avoid dust, aligning with today's environmental standards. Both the short tube and dust cover have access doors for clearing blockages and debris. Today, I visited our client at Donghai Steel in Fuzhou. This visit is mainly to check the performance of the 22 discs we made last year in the sintering workshop. Although we transport dust-prone materials like iron or powder, the workshop using our discs is very clean and tidy. The short pipe connects to the silo via a flange, and the dust cover is securely fixed to the base, ensuring no dust leakage. Opening the observation door on the dust cover, we can see the material smoothly falling onto the belt scale under the scraper's effect. All equipment is working well, with 1 worker overseeing the workshop. Our slewing bearing has large overturning torque and small resistance, making the operation particularly smooth. Director Wang of the equipment department praised our equipment for its easy maintenance and easy operation.